Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are joining us for the first time, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And for those who are coming back, thank you guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at Excel automation. So some questions which I get is that people are working with Excel and they are building reports, but once they build reports, they want to make it much quicker to refresh the report or to generate a report and send it to respective users without wasting a lot of time. So they often ask, how can we automate Excel so that it can do, or it can help them to do whatever they want to do much faster. So on this platform, I'm going to discuss 3 methods that you can use to automate or semi-automate some of the things that you do manually in Excel. One of the things I'm going to look at, actually I'm going to go in detail today, is a macro. So a macro, you can write a macro or record a macro to help yourself automate Excel. The second thing you can use is a Power Query. So a Power Query, you can access it from this data tab. If you can see on my Excel document, you can access it here. And you can say, for example, if I say show queries, you can see there are no queries in this workbook. But later on, I'll teach you how to build a query. You can start with the new query here and choose wherever you want to get the data. But we're going to go in detail in the next session. For now, you just need to know that second method of automating Excel is using a Power Query. Then the third method is Power Pivot. So a Power Pivot is when you're it's a pivot table, but it's connected to a Power Query. So you write a Power Query, then you link it to a pivot table using the Power Pivot functionality. So you can access it here if you go and say manage, for example. So this is the Power Query management platform where you can manage. So I don't have any data. If I had tables, which I've added here, you would have been seeing them here. And also what I can do is you can also write some measures to calculate certain things you want to calculate, and you can actually use that in a pivot table. And you can also establish relationships between different tables. If you have 2 or 3 tables which are linked to each other by a sort of a key, you can actually use that and establish a relationship to join that. But I'm not also going to go in detail today. It will be in my next sessions on automating Excel.